You got like a whole kitchen here. Really weird. And then you got like coffee, water, whatever flavor it is. I don't know. And the lavatories back here, like really, really weird. But there's a door there usually. We got our famous flights here. Kind of hard to read. Yeah. Like all the history here. Pretty cool. Don't know if you're into this kind of stuff. Probably not. But, you know. It's pretty interesting. Hard to read all this. So, you have full down bunks up here for people to sleep. That's above all of the seats. And presidential conference room. Whoa, that's pretty neat. Secretary station. I wouldn't mind flying on this plane. This would be really nice. Fortunately, I'm not the president, so. This is. Oh no, this is the presidential conference room. That was the staff area.
Is subject to monitoring at all times. Use of this connection communicates here.
Telephone?
Device communications.
It's a telephone on a plane. And they always tell us not to make phone calls on the planes, and here we have a telephone in Air Force One. Nice couch seating. Don't sit here. Why'd you put it here, buddy?
Why are you taking a video of this?
Because I can.
Dog use it for it.
The dog is
Well, it's
I don't want. You can get a better view of it right here. We have another bathroom. This is the president's fancy bathroom. This is too good to work the lavatories. Look, there's me. Thanks, reflection, for showing me my other face. More seats, more telephones. More coffee and water and a microwave. Where the president was served. Forward galley. Communication station. Very, very, a lot of buttons. Looking for a minute? We have another lavatory. And finally, pilot and co-pilot station. Even more buttons. Whoa. Look at all those buttons and switches.